The seagull is annoyed with me droning up here and is trying to get me to go away. But I'm not going to. It's the time of year when they're nesting and they're a bit threatened by my drone, which is not really doing anything. But he doesn't like it, and he's been terrorising me for ages. Here he comes. He's going to do a little circle and then swoop back in. Where is he off? He's gone to round his mates up. Oh no, here he is. He's coming in for another attack. Here he comes. Here he comes. Nice and low. Here he is. There we go. Brilliant. It's actually quite scary. I'm actually up on some big scaffolding, as you can see. Oh, he's rallied some mates up there who are now flying high. Right up there. There's a whole load more who are flying very high indeed, which was my strategy, but now they've gone high, I don't think I can fly there. So there's a whole squadron of them that will now come in who are going to try and take me out. Got quite a few mates. And they're up there. You can see them, swarms of them up there. So they're high and he's low, so he's in my cushion, which is where I was planning to fly, which is no longer an option. So I think at this point I might have to call it a day, because it's getting a little bit risky up here. As you can see, top of London, and the Russian embassy's just over there, but I've got clearance to fly. All is good. Apart from Mr. Seagull doesn't like Mr. Parrot, Mr. Red Parrot, who is down here. There he is. There he is. Okay, we best check out.